Assalamu alaikum dear students, this is me Ms. Jahanara and I'm taking your computer subject. So let's start from today's video. As you know that have just started the first chapter, which is all about the early calculating devices, as we have discussed the name of early calculating devices in our online sessions. So here you can see these are the early calculating devices, and the chapter name is we have like characteristics and evolution of computer. This is your first chapter, and in this chapter we will just see the background of computer, the evolution of computer, and everything like that. So you can see this is your first early calculating device. So this is the first early calculating device, and now you can see there are some other examples of early calculating devices, as we have discussed. The first is abacus, then we have discussed Napier bones, we have discussed Pascaline, we have discussed difference engine, and we have discussed analytical engine. So you can see this is the diagram from your picture. The very first is abacus, then Napier bones, then we have Pascaline, then we have difference engine. So what you will do, I will give you task and you will just write the name of these early calculating devices in your copy. Okay, I hope you are understanding it very carefully. So this is the last early calculating device and the name is analytical engine. So we will provide you worksheet. This is your worksheet. Let's see what you will do here. You will just match the names with the early calculating devices. Like where is abacus, you will just match it. Analytical engine, difference engine, whatever it is, you can take help from your book and then just do it. And the next is fill in the blank. What you will do, just read it and then just solve it. Like there are some keys as well, Pascaline, abacus, everything is here, you can take help from it. So start reading off your book and try to solve these tasks.